Hello everyone, today we'll be changing the oil and oil filter on a 2003 Lexus IS300. You'll need all the items pictured, which will also be listed in the description. You'll also need one bubble tea of your choice. This is the part number for the oil filter. First, jack up the car securely on jack stands. Remove the oil cap. Unscrew the 10mm bolt shown here and move the assembly aside. This will make it easier to remove the oil filter. Place an oil pan under the drain plug. Use the 14mm socket to remove the drain plug. Let the oil drain for at least 5 minutes until all the oil is drained. Put the drain plug back on with a new crush washer. Tighten with socket wrench. Here's the location of the oil filter. Place a cloth under the oil filter to catch any drips. You can use an oil filter wrench to make removing the filter easier. Once the filter is loosened, unscrew by hand. Wedge the filter through this area of the engine bay. It will require some force. We've tried several methods of removing the filter from the engine bay and have found this to be the easiest. Remove the plastic from the new filter and lubricate the rubber O-ring with fresh oil. This will make the removal easier when you do the next oil change. Wedge the new filter in the same spot you removed the old one. Screw in the new filter hand tight. Place the funnel in the oil fill hole. Pour in 6 quarts of fresh oil. Replace the oil cap. Screw the 10mm bolt back in place. And you're done!